Are you suffering with unclean data and don't know how to clean it? Then this video is for you. Hey, this is Gayatri. Today I am going to explain data cleaning in Power BI. We get data from different resources and that data may not be clean. So we should clean the data. The data may contain missing values and it may not be in perfect format. We have to clean the data. Let's see how to do it in Power BI. In last video, I have explained the interface of Power BI. Now I want to get data from different resource. For that we have this get data option. And my data is in Excel workbook. So click Excel workbook. My data is in desktop and that click on all files. This is my data. Open. It will take some time. And this is my data. This data is not clean. See, there are some missing values. So here it displays two options, load and transform the data. If you click on load, it directly navigates to Power BI. If you click on transform data, it navigates to Power Query Editor. You already know what is the use of Power Query Editor. There you can clean the data. And this is the interface of Power Query Editor. This is queries pane and this is query setting pane. This is preview pane. This is ribbon. And it contains multiple tabs like home, transform, add column, view, tools, help. Let's see one by one. In home tab we have multiple options. First is close and apply. After cleaning the data, if you click this, it will load the data into Excel. And we have this option new query. From this we can get new data and we can see recent sources. And we can also enter the data. And we have multiple options like choose the column, remove the columns, same goes with rows. Keep rows, remove rows. And here we have this option, use first row as header. See this data. Our first row contains column headers. So to promote this, just click this, use first row as headers. Whatever steps we are performing, that will be displayed in applied steps. If you want to undo it, just click this cross. Yeah, that's it. Again promote it. And in transform tab, same option is available in transform tab. We have transpose option in which it will convert rows into columns and columns into rows. Reverse rows. Reverse rows is like it will reverse the rows. And count rows. Count rows is nothing but in a table it will show the number of rows. And here we have detect data type. If you select the column and click this, it will show the data type of a column and rename. Using this we can rename the column. And here we have replace values. If we are having null values, if you want to replace those values, then we will use this option. And we have fill. Fill is nothing but to fill the empty spaces, we'll use this. We have fill down and fill up. If we click on fill down, the upper values of the cell will be filled. If we click on up, the lower values will be filled. And here we have unpivot columns. If the column is pivoted, then we can unpivot it. And here we have multiple options. For text kind of data, we can use this. If a column contains delimiter and from that you want to extract something, then you will use this extract option. And here we have number column. If we are having number column data, then we can perform these operations. And same goes with it. Date and time. If you are having date column, you can extract date, you can extract year from it, you can extract quarter from it. And if you are having time data, you can extract local time, hour, minute, seconds from it, and duration also. And here we have add column. Add column is nothing but you will create a new column with some logic. And we have one more option, column from examples. Just click the column and then write whatever you want, and then it automatically generates its own logic. And then we have duplicate column. If you select the column and click this, the duplicate column will be generated. And if you click index column, it will generate indexes for that column. And same options, extract, and same things, date, time. The only difference is it will create a new column. That's it. In view tab, here we can see how many missing values we have and how much error percent we have. And then column distribution. We can get to know how many values are repeated, and if it is a numerical data, you get to know average of it, minimum value of it, max value of it, and standard deviations. And these are the main tabs in Power Query Editor. See, first column does not have any empty values. Same goes with second. But from third also don't have any empty values. Fourth column has empty values. You have to replace those empty values with some value. How to do that? Just select this and click on column profile. As it is a categorical value, you have to replace it with most repeated value. The most repeated value is resale. So replace a null value or empty with resale. Right click, and here we have replace values, and then you want to replace empty with resale, and give OK. Now you don't have empty values in transaction column. And then status. Status contains 1% of empty data. So we have to check the column profile. And it is categorical data, so we have to replace it with most occurring value. The most occurring value is ready to move. So replace it. Replace values. Ready to move. Ready to move. Click on OK. And same goes with floor. Floor is also a categorical data, and we have to replace it with resale. Replace value and then resale. And same with furnishing. Select, and the most repeated value is unfurnished. Replace values. Replace with unfurnished. Click on OK. This will do afterwards. And this is numerical data, but the data type of a column is ABC, which is text. And it is in text because we have these symbols. So I want to extract only numerical part. As I told you, to extract numerical part, we have this add column, and I am going with column from examples. Now I will give whatever I want. 2891 and this 3551 and this. See, it automatically generated. Click OK. The new column is generated. Just copy this column name and give it here. And then I am deleting this column. Give it 1. After we will rename it. And I will delete this column. Right click, remove. Still it is in numerical data, so we have to change the data type. Right click, here we have change type, and go to whole number. The data type is changed. And this is numerical data. You have to replace null values with average of that column. So go to column profile. Here you can see the average 4897. Right click, replace value 4897. 4897. Click OK. OK. Null. Click OK. Now the values are replaced. Same. You should apply the same for price. How to do that? Select price column and go to custom from examples and give values. 33.8. And then it is automatically generated. Click OK. And then I want to rename it as price 1. And then I am going to remove this. Remove. Now I have to change the data type. Right click. We can see here we can see the decimal part also. So my data type will be decimal number. Now As it is a numerical data, you have to replace null values with average of the number. My average is 28.794. Replace values. Null with 28.7194. Click OK. Now our data is clean. After cleaning data, you have to load the data into Power BI. Just click on close and apply. Now our data is loaded, and here we can see our table, and these are our columns. Using this, we can perform some visualizations and we can get some insights from it. And this is data view, where you can see your table contents, and this is model view. If you are having 2 to 3 tables, you can build a connection. Now you get to know how to clean data, get data from different resources and try it on. If you have any queries, don't forget to comment down below. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.